Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all will be fine at your home. Okay, guys, your syllabus chapter 1 to 9 almost have been completed. So today we will perform experiment 1, which is to study the reaction between copper sulfate and iron nail, that is known as displacement reaction. Okay, today we will discuss कि how copper sulfate and iron nail are react with each other and what will happen. And first of all we will perform this experiment. Okay, so this is beaker. As you know, I have told you earlier in my videos, this is beaker and I have taken some water in it. मैंने इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी लिया है बीकर में, और this is copper sulfate solution. This is copper sulfate solution which is blue in color. This is copper sulfate solution which is blue in color, and this is solid, and we put this solution, copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate in the beaker, and when we dissolve copper sulfate in water, then makes the copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate dissolve in water when we stirring with glass rod. This is glass rod. We will stirring it with glass rod and this copper sulfate solution will be formed. This solution is blue in color, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो. Now we will add some iron nail. We will add some iron nail. This is iron nail. We will add some iron nail in the copper sulfate solution. When we add iron nail in the copper sulfate solution, displacement reaction will be occur. So we will keep aside for some time, and after some time this color will change from blue to green. We will see later. Okay, we will keep it aside for some time. So एम आपको बता दिया है कि कॉपर सल्फेट और आयरन नेल किस तरह से आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं, एंड मटेरियल्स हमने क्या क्या लिए. what materials are required? टेस्ट ट्यूब, बीकर. टेस्ट ट्यूब भी ले सकते हैं, बीकर भी ले सकते हैं आप. हमने बीकर का यूज़ किया है. कॉपर सल्फेट, वाटर, glass rod and iron nail. Okay, so procedure मेथड क्या है इसका कि सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we take beaker, add water and copper sulfate in it. Okay, put some iron nail and add in the solution, इस solution में ऐड कर दिए. So stirring it, क्या देखेंगे हम? What will be observed? Observation. So after some time, we will see the color of copper sulfate solution changes from blue to green, and copper will deposit on the iron nail. So we will write down, we will observe this reaction also. Copper sulfate, which is blue in color, iron nail, that is iron nail. What will happen? Iron will react with sulfate and copper displays from this salt solution. Iron is more reactive than copper, so we will see iron displaces copper from its salt solution, and iron reacts with sulfate and copper displays from this salt solution and deposit on the iron. So what will form? Iron sulfate, that is green in color, green plus copper. कॉपर जो है वो कैसा हो जाएगा? कॉपर ब्राउन. ओके, सो इसका कलर ब्लू था तो ये ग्रीन हो गया, आयरन सल्फेट बन गया, और कॉपर को हमने अलग कर दिया, डिस्प्लेस कर दिया, और जो आयरन नेल थे उसके ऊपर ब्राउन कलर आ गया. वी विल सी our solution, what will happen? So look at this solution which we have kept for some time. So this color will change from blue to green. हमने ब्लू कलर का कॉपर सॉल्यूशन लिया था और उसका कलर चेंज होके कैसा हो गया? ग्रीन हो गया. दिस इज ग्रीन इन कलर. Or if we take iron nail from this, we will see these are brown in color. These are brown in color from grey. Nails are mostly grey in color. So we will see कि after the reaction, this solution will green in color and copper deposit on this iron nail, and this will change in brown color. Okay, so we can say कि this is the displacement reaction when copper sulfate react with iron, then iron sulfate will be formed and copper will deposit on the iron. So students, I have given you PDF of this experiment 1. You have to write this on your fair notebook or separate notebook as you wish. So draw diagram neat and clean. If you have a practical notebook of 8th class, then you can see from this practical notebook and write down all experiment and also draw the diagram from it. So thanks, have a nice day.